This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Lancer headlights. First, park your vehicle on a level surface, about 25 feet from a wall. Ensure the steering wheel is straight. Next, measure the distance from the ground to the center of each headlight. Transfer these measurements to the wall, marking them with tape. This creates your reference points for proper alignment. Now, open your Lancer's hood to expose the headlight assemblies. You'll find two main adjustment screws on each headlight unit. One screw controls the vertical aim, moving the beam up or down. The other manages the horizontal aim, shifting it left or right. Depending on your model, you might need a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm wrench for these adjustments. Let's start with vertical adjustment. Turn the appropriate screw to move the headlight beam up or down. For optimal visibility and to avoid blinding oncoming drivers, the top edge of your low beam pattern should be approximately 2 inches below the center mark you made on the wall. Adjust each headlight individually, ensuring they are both at the correct height. Next, adjust the horizontal aim. Turn the other screw to shift the beam left or right. The brightest part, or hot spot, of your low beam should be centered directly in front of each headlight's mark on the wall. After adjusting both, take your Lancer for a short drive to confirm the alignment. Remember to check the description for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.